In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to balance and stylize footage with the Lumetri color panel. By the end, you'll know how to even out brightness, fix color temperature with the eyedropper, and add a cinematic look using Creative Lattice, all in a clean, simple workflow. We'll start in the Lumetri color panel by balancing brightness. Think of this as setting a solid foundation before you touch color or style. Begin with exposure to set the overall light level. If your clip feels dim, gently nudge exposure up until faces and key details look natural. If it's too bright, bring it down to avoid washed out areas. Next, use contrast to add separation between lights and darks, but keep it moderate so you don't crush detail. Then move to highlights and shadows. Highlights recover bright areas like skies or reflections. Pull them down if you're losing detail, or push them up for more sparkle if the image is too flat. Shadows lift or deepen the darker parts, raise them to reveal detail in hair, clothing, or backgrounds, or lower them to add richness. Make small intentional adjustments and toggle the effect on and off to confirm your changes are improving the image rather than over-processing it. Once the brightness is balanced, correct white balance using the eyedropper tool. This step removes unwanted color casts so whites look neutral and skin tones feel natural. Click the eyedropper and sample something that should be gray or white in your shot, a shirt, wall, or a neutral prop. If you don't have a perfect neutral, choose the closest option and let the tool neutralize the color temperature. After the pick, fine-tune temperature and tint slightly if needed. Warm it up a touch for a golden feel or cool it down for a cleaner, crisper look. Keep adjustments subtle. The goal is true to life color without pushing skin tones into odd hues. With a clean, balanced image, it's time to stylize using creative LUTs. Apply a LUT to give your footage a cinematic character, richer contrast, distinct color palettes, or specific filmic vibes. Treat the LUT as a starting point, not the final word. Use the intensity slider to dial it in. If the look feels heavy, lower the strength until it complements your footage. After applying the LUT, revisit exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to refine the balance under the new look, keeping details